Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Chinsa ni sato chia bono botuko hasiri tukerigari komi na rimo motionyugo kano mwaka bwechiri bubere mirongo bere na isano nemo mwanchu murigeria no gusaba kwanenga no gendrate gutwara burigerio bya bwemeroberio egendrate asembeo y'Ensoko TV nigora se chingaki haso kumanyari aenekiwe koraiga semesa yamaya kuru Ensoko chinsa isato hayo yaneki kuru ase chinsemo au abigaja bari kibaito bamwana basangiriri kuru asemambi yarenge ntambe asiri bagari ya ebura na chaka uri magaye kamera na bago Felistas Kabendi kuru ase studio ya kabero kwene kiamero gingo chara senchirengia toko sabero karanse ko benaito kurbono wika omwerio nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi amaya kuru Ensoko chinsa isato achakira bwana. Tuchagana robotiro kubwatia mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo nigo bono akwanire taro imuraibwense gocha sorongo rwagusi gochakira ritukoria ankyo asate bire hegati yaari bagandire aikiraniwe hande mono ime county ya Nyamira negati yegetange kiereri asensemo ya ikonge chinyomba cy'uburaro ase skuru yogosomya busukurwa maigeri yobubweni ya KMTC nabo igasagandire abana inchi kobeko murembe chinga kechetari
gochakira Jumatatu abera Jumapili jioni mo president wa Kenya William Samuel Ruto na achabe nseme ya usi ya wansa Nyamira itukodia Jumatatu na dajo okora Bosongo itukodia Jumaina ndobwate chi project awao aoja otara ne chinde ko inspect na bono ga wanzira ikonga konga ndubwate chire kwa gacho ndubwate SGR banaichi banyora ri baba matebi nga jiwaje tetebe nande nga yakobera arwo agende kyabanyoru arigererie nga kyejinorasi ya ikira sobwa gacho bwaye haji Nyamira town ari richi ostericha KMTC na kichansira ndachi bekeri na riborso amayo chegeti ya primary Nyamira address wananchi ikonge station nero yerere lakini totade ko mubori bachenje design ikia twa bwete korokoro chebira terogoro or mubori bweche state borari no we county government to list it out yona watu angobutora gakega tonyora stokori ne mesigo na semesigo ikerwa igona kia kitora mobori station yeki ni webe nanaka yo no monne bwense agocha Kenya to bwata monne bwense ayomo igo nande na robwate esara ichiwe chakenya chance ongobori abantu baito mo welcome na shangwe na ito kumobori ebinto anyare gotegerera igona ko bwate birengeri yawo abi wanchirwa lakini mwageni karo tokuraira ngora turakora esabari eyo narongo batebiga mu karibisho monne bwense
Toska bosio totigarita senganeyo mwanju murigeria mwaziro tenete chisemega Kenya Julius Migosi nigobono atarire ensemo hegenrete ubagachi wichinyomba chuburaro chimisato nemerongene hase eskuru ya amaigerio ya keroka TTI osibwe tare muraibwense abo ritkoria ankyo kao kwana sensemeyo hegotoka ase sub county ya Masaba South county ya Kisii ogamba nigobona atebire hebyo bose ubagachubu negati ya magendro hari muraibwense alengete gochia kone kyo gochako kwae rituko ria ankyo.
Sana Mheshimiwa Rais atakuja Kisii on a development tour kutoka siku ya Jumapili mpaka siku ya Jumatano. Ataanza kutoka kule Ikonge, tutasafiri huku kote, angalie maendeleo, tuende mpaka kule chini South Mugrango akiangalia maneno ya mabarabara, akiangalia maneno ya mashule, akiangalia maneno ya hostels kama hizi, ile cancer center kule town, ile university ya Nyamira, KMTC ziko ingine kule juu Nyamira na ingine South Mugrango, kufungua mabarabara zile ambao zimepeanwa ambao zinatengenezwa to bitumen standard, ili na markets, affordable housing, stadium kule Kisii na maendeleo mengi ile ambayo ametupatia katika hii sehemu yetu, ili tuende pia tuwe katika ile system ya broad based na kupata maendeleo kila mahali, kwa sababu Kenya Kwanza administration inasema kwamba kuna sehemu yoyote ya Kenya ambayo inatakana kubaki nyuma kwa maendeleo, na ndio sababu tumekuja kuona kwamba ile kazi, ile promises zilipeanwa zinaendelea kufanywa, zimefika wapi, ili tukikuja naye mkuje kwa wengi, ili muweze kumkaribisha mwenu wetu, na kama iko tatizo ingine yoyote tunaweza muuliza siku hiyo kwamba pia atuongeze. Ndio sababu tuko hapa na tutaendelea kuangalia zingine zote, ku prepare the way, advanced team, kuangalia kwamba kila kitu iko shwari. So hii ni development tour. Siku hizi tunataka kufanya maneno ya development. Maneno ya siasa itakuja baadaye. Ikikuja baadaye pia tutakuja kwa ground, tupatane na wale ambao tunatakana kucompete na hawa in whatever section, from MCA to MP to governor to senator to women rep, all the way to the presidency. We will come at that point. Lakini kwa sai tuweke mind zetu katika sehemu ya kufanya maneno ya development. Ndio sababu tuko area hii, na mnajua Mheshimiwa Rais anatembea kila mahali kuangalia kwamba Kenya maendeleo inaendelea vizuri. Wale watu parents ambao mko na watoto katika form 4 sai KCSE 2026, niliwaelezea kwamba muangalie kwamba kila mtoto amekuwa registered kwa exam ya 2026. Ilifunguliwa mwezi wa 3, ikafungwa mwezi wa 3 on 30th. Muangalie kama mtoto wako amekuwa registered, ndio msifike siku ya exam ndio mnajitokezea kusema mtoto yangu hajakuwa registered. On the progress of the hostels that are being done here by the national government through the Ministry of Housing, this institution was allocated 340 parks, hostels that have started construction, and they are going to be completed by the end of this year, and hopefully by the beginning of the year the students would then be able to be accommodated in those hostels. We are doing hostels in our institutions to ensure that wale watoto wetu wote wanakuja katika hizi institutions wako na mahali pa kukaa. And we also want to take this opportunity kuelezea kwamba ile KUPS yetu ambao inafungua portal, ambao wanafunzi wetu wale walifanya KCSE mwaka jana 2025 imefunguliwa kutoka tarehe 7 mwezi huu for the next 30 days, ili watoto wetu wale ambao walipata C+ and above wanaweza kuapply sasa kwenda katika zile universities for the programs that they have. So ninataka kueleza parents, mujaribu kuongea na watoto wenu ili waende pale katika portal, waangalie, wafanye application kuingia.
Tuskabusio mwanchu murigeria sorbo tironde ekero abarai ao bagenda tagwe sokia na kurigia ebirogo ao byo barai heje kogendra kuraga usubikirania magendero niko bono oyo kurigia kirogo kyobo jumbe asense mo bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Calvin Mwando aesokirie na guichandra oborai obororra asate ebiro no kwera na maiga na boigo kuboro kwa magendero ase ebunge yo buna ogotirani wa wechi basari ogosiro kwa masomo asaborkiwa na boigo botumikyo wechi pesa chikigancha kia NGCDF ka okwane gitaseni kigagia Nsoko TV omwando nigo bono haruro kuboria okwenekia buna abagetutu na barabo konyora bare amagendro hasaba sabire bamusira asobo chore bane bori bosio elindachi ko bakorra ali baganeti
nche no Mosike Calvin Kenani omwando ko Rubogetutu Chache South igo onkoligie kerogo kyo bujumbe bwa Bogetutu ase ekurende gocha 2027 chingaki chiabono iga tongena ndete kwa masisha abana baito chigenzi babwate chikadi elinde babe kadi inde by 2027 banyare komeke decision igoro yoborai bwa seito buna bona ase Kitutu Chache South intubuna Abagetutu. We feel that we have been isolated in terms of development. Keroko nyoranga ebia chipara cheito igo chire chimbe mono chi constituency chinde chonse tobebekaine ichire chia Bonchari chire chia Kitutu Chache North, they are all tarmacked. Chipare chiga saina korosi Gwororo Gusiengi ma South Mogirango Uchinyalibali lakini Seito Kitutu Chache South igo tomenyete a town lakini torama kolime igo. Those are the kind of changes that I would wish to make, and what I know, this is not primarily a blame Tokobeka squarely on government. This is a blame of the budgeting process, because a member of parliament nero bwate responsibility to participate in the budget making process. Igo chi proposal cha Kitutu Chache South ntori ya aware kuzichi anya gotoka as a budgeting making process in terms of tarmacking Seito. Namono ntubwate challenge in terms of general management of our CDF. Unabono abana baito bechiskuru mbanya kwa bursaries kurueta mya chagete ya yalire egasiekwa abane balenka bono we are going for a second term. Mtu anyako ya bursaries, which makes us bigger questioning of what is going on in Kitutu Chache South, because all other constituencies bairwe bursary. So these are the challenges that we face, but ntubwato ko semelinga abagetutu mbarochaya na ende mbanyare okorobo onchorori obuya bachora barayi babwate vision na ande bakunyara ko bodebinga kitoko transform Seito, where I believe I am one of that leader. I'm that leader who can transform Seito na kionko basabera abagetutu Chache South bambugatisie segange yokoryo bujumbo na ende ntubwate ngana yende bunabono yamangana administrative boundaries iga bono ntubwate utambo konyoranga kalioma nankali kago chakabo gati ya Nyaribari Chache constituency na Kitutu Chache constituency. These are questions which are not supposed to be there, but we wonder why okonyoranga unabono mujumbo Nyaribari Chache South ntoiwete wants to create a new division in Kitutu Chache South aria kurende iga kurende woresi ya hospital around there. So we are asking iga limbo Kitutu Chache South by all standards. It is known, you know, there are maps chikoro kinga yaba Kitutu vale na Banyalibali vale. It's not a matter of just kuata chi boundary, it's how people want to identify themselves. Abantu bale batenga nchino mu Kitutu oyo ndote abanchino mu Nyalibali. So if you make boundaries chikobeko monte sata tageti eyibono okunoko kosera abantabu. That is why we want administration to consider this na ende baligererie banyare ko make good decisions mba bese ko beke division esabantu batatageti.
Toskabasyo mwancho morigere university atangaza yakorre tarechi kilomita 10 eyurengete gusangirira chibesa chigo chiago konya barukwa kurwase chiamate chokonyora wense au bagosoma se university iyo bagokwanegeta sinekiga Nsoko TV habaribe university iyo nigo bono kero getarikyo getariyo baine kyabuna abakenya bose abakenya buna university iyo nigo bono ya erachi kwene kya koba arigania abaroki bonsi kurwase chiamate chonsi kwene kya nkuba bekira bare oboroso obuya bwe chisemi morikito Linet Nyambane agotomanya senjere wikiran
abaibori basemigwe gosomya abana babo nario barache koba abantu abaya asa matukare bosyo uko no koboria kurwa ase Professor Constantine Nyamboga kagukwana kurwa ase university yatangaza chinga kibakora itaro ye kilomita 10 yogosangereria chibese chogokonya abana bari bakurwa ase chiamate chokonyora wainse. Nyamboga nigo asemirie anene egesakukyo mugusi gosomya abana
gonda takenga bagusi ase mwabeta molenta baino university ye kiagara chibesa bakuinya kurwa njiriko banyinge na ende moganya nga abana bache korangirwa mutienyu kianda esauria competition ye karo endane sana muna bawo kutaka BS nursing mwarenge ko enisho nga abana baino by May go balega.
Tangaza University started in the year 1986 August. So this work was meant to celebrate our 40 years of existence. These 40 years we have existed in training students from different faculties, students from School of Theology, students from School of Education, students from School of Arts and Social Sciences, and recently we started a School of Applied Sciences and Technology.
chinga kiechechio abarai kurwa ase university eyo abo baikirana ase etare yo nigo batebire nonya university eyo kegosirwa ne kanisa ya Catholic nigo egoire gochia ase aboroki gwa bande bonsi.
We have students who are self-sponsored. We have students who are also government-sponsored. A number of the self-sponsored students face a lot of challenges, especially financial challenges. So in the celebration of our 40 years of existence, the management of the university decided that it is important to take care of the needs of our needy students.
Sisi ni university ya kanisa Katoliki, lakini tunakubali wanafunzi kutoka madhehebu mbalimbali ambao wanapenda kusoma, na sisi tunapofundisha tunahakikisha kwamba wanafunzi wetu wapate tu masomo lakini wanapata maadili.
Nonya nabo abarayabu nigo bairari bagerio na gwakera ababwatani aombuya abaikirania etare yo.
We are also grateful to the university leadership that has made this work possible, the sponsors, the management board, members of faculty, staff, and all those that wish us well, that together we can do much more. Together we can come together to support the cause of the needy.
We have student aid financial assistance, which is meant to help the needy students. But that kitty is not enough. So such an activity will help to contribute funds that will help. We want to at least to support 20% of our population because majority of them come from very humble backgrounds. So that money is going to help them to realize their dreams.
The university supports towards the needy students. It is a very significant year in the life of Tangaza University for a journey that began 40 years ago with a few students of about 20 in number has grown to what we have today. Tangaza is a fully chartered university, and we are hoping that from this year to next 5 years, our vision of having more institutions within university, adding more schools, more disciplines will materialize by God's grace. So we thank the Almighty God for the rich diversity in Tangaza University. We have over 40 nationality groups in Tangaza University, which speaks of who we are in a very significant way.
Arenayo abakenya babori gwetanga kurwase siasa na kwenekia nkwegendereri bare ase obugima bwabo.
Na ende gonko basabira maya ni maetenga siasa isiko gabwa mangana na mangarororo, lakini tikagokwero munya siasa ngano munya siasa konoranga gwitirwa kule esa uri utatenga support. Kale support na support in the family yao. Na ando endishinga bana ao bachire skuru ne university bagocha Ntangasa.
Gorpoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase university ya Tangaza erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Bia wana murikito Linet Nyambane na robote rwa senchira yobu ikirantogo skabose mwancho murigaria muraiwense ya Kenya William Ruto niga kwaniro kwani ukororo gwe serikali yense ya Kenya na boigo serikali chichinse ekira sorongo rwa Afrika kubeka omuke bo kwaneke bunango sira habare abaremi erinde gochia kwaneke orogongorega konyara koba ngonyara koba rokubarenda abananchi bae
is at a reflection point because Africa will have a quarter of the world's population will be living in our continent by 2050. And 2050 is just, 20 years from now, 20-something years from now. We will have the largest workforce in the world coming from this continent. Because of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, we will have the largest single market in the world in this continent. And we have resources and we have assets. We have 2/3 of the world's remaining arable land. I was told by the former president of the Africa Development Bank that the future billionaires will be farmers. That is why I'm trying farming myself. And aside from that, we have huge mineral and natural resources in our continent. It is both an opportunity and a risk. Because of what I have said about our continent, there is need for thought leaders. There is need for intelligence leaders to think about how we are going to organize ourselves.
Tukoska hosio mwanchumo rigaria monogari wa serikali Isaac Mwaura niko bono aichaneire chingencho chi chimbo chia bana siasa ichana getigo ya samatanga yoko mwenia umujumbe uyo kabero umujumbe Welkarau Mheshimiwa David Kiarao hasensemo ya Nyandarua. Mwaura niko bono harure okoboria kurugochia sabana inchi na boyo avarai au kwenekea bunankoro kibara maskani asiabisi yumarai wense.
We are here to condole with the family of Captain William Ruto. He is the MD of Kenya Ports Authority. He was involved in an accident with the family, and we send our most sincere condolences. We've just come for the funeral of his dear daughter, Michelle, and we really want to say pole. And from the outset, it is important for leaders to respect families during burial. Whatever we saw in Olkalau was not really acceptable. We saw a lot of disrespect, and even if you don't like the person of the president, but you have to respect the institution of the president. What we saw with some leaders there, some of them were fairly young and even serving their first time in parliament, was really disrespectful. And even if you have political differences, there is some decorum that is required going forward. In any case, when we go for a funeral, the idea is about the family. It's not about we politicians or leaders wanting to settle political scores when others are mourning. So that's a very shameful act, and the president needs to be respected as an institution. That is not something that should be compromised at any point. Secondly,
Mwanchumu rigaria tuguska hosio habara ikurwa sorongo ro Western Kenya niko bono baesokire na gukwandro koganyo kokororo kwa wananchi kurwa senseme yokwebeka amo abayo habara ibabo bunenchire mu yogo kwero hosio wachorio bono mwaka bwechiri bubere 2025 gukwana kurwa sensemo eya masomo igo warigani gwa county ya Trans Nzoia higatia barai niko bono barokandre kumwegera monogari bwe bunge nene Moses Wetangula hase chinkwana ichabara ibabere bakoma mocha samatuko abwangoya.
We have one mandate, we have one responsibility, which is our people. And the only way we can provide and protect our people is by uniting as leaders of one house. And so I request that our leaders unite. Hata watoto wakipigana kwa nyumba itakaa vizuri. Sisi tunafaa kujenga nyumba yetu. Tunafaa kukaa kwa amani na tunafaa kuungana. Tukiungana, tukienda kuongea kuhusu miradi upande huu wa kwetu, pia inapitishwa haraka. Lakini tukitawanyika, unajua, hatutaweza kuleta miradi kwa njia rahisi.
Kwa hivyo mtu asisimame mahali asema ati mtu anatoka Bungoma kutupanga, na huyu speaker ni wa hapa Trans Nzoia. Kwa hivyo hakuna mgeni hapa, na sisi ni wenyeji, tunajipanga na tuko na marafiki zetu, tutatembea na hao tukomboe county ya Trans Nzoia. Kwa hivyo wamama wanajua kazi, wakipewa kazi wanafanya. Sasa mtatuma Maina Humicha afanye kazi ya county, Maina Humicha afanye.
Na ndio nawaomba nyinyi ndugu zetu wa Trans Nzoia, tupunguze siasa ya kujipiga vifua, kutusi wengine, kujigamba na kusema maneno ambayo haieleweki. Ni kufanyia wananchi kazi. na kama unawafanyia wananchi kazi, yenyewe itaonekana na yenyewe itakumarket na kukuuza kwa wananchi. Kama ufanyi kazi, hata ukisungumuza kutoka asubuhi mpaka jioni, hata ukituzi weta kutoka asubuhi mpaka jioni, kazi yako haitaonekana. Na mimi nawaambia ndugu zangu wananchi, kutukanwa nimezoea. Hiyo hata haisaidii. Nimekuwa kwa siasa kwa muda mrefu. Nimetusiwa, nimefanyiwa madhambi, nimefanyia ukora, lakini mimi ndiyo huyu. Hakuna mahali ninaenda.
Tukusikabasio mwanchumo rigario muraiwe kia magia DCP Rigathi Gachagua negatia babwatani bae nigo bono baine kia musangarikano gwe siasa ase bunge ya Gikuyu county ya Kiambu rituko ria rero murobiri uyu nyarako bago kubwatanirwa ne Chiburaburu nigo bono Gachagua aesokire na komochia mujumbe bwa Rogongoro Mheshimiwa Kimani Ichung'wah ase okoroberia ogoturbanirwa kwemiroberio ya siasa hibarubete kwanekia rituko ria rero asaboria serikali ne bitabo byonse byoborendi kwanekia unoborendi ngotingiwa bore bosio bobochorio bonne omwaka ogocha na boigori berera ria siasa erigandote kwanekiwa.
Kimani Ichung'wah alisema Rigiji hatafika Kikuyu. Rigiji amefika hajafika? Rigiji amefika hajafika? Hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wapi? Kiongozi wa Mlima Kenya ni nani? Nani kiongozi wa Mlima Kenya? Nikiwa hapa Kikuyu, niko nyumbani, siko nyumbani. Wewe Ichung'wah, wewe hapana wetu. Tabia zako Kimani Ichung'wah. Hatuamini wewe ni Mkikuyu. Hatuamini wewe ni Mkikuyu. Umeshikana na William Ruto kuangaisha jamii ya Wakikuyu. Ni makosa kubwa sana Ichung'wah. Hao watu wa Kikuyu walikuchagua mara 3 kutuma polisi na risasi na tear gas kupiga wale watu ambao walikuchagua. Umekuwa pale tukikuja na akina Kalonzo na akina Matiang'i. Polisi wametuvamia na risasi, wakatumavia na tear gas. Lakini kwa sababu mimi ni mtoto ya Mau Mau, nimesema lazima niingie Kikuyu. Hapo Mlimani nimetangaza Operation Fagia ya kufagia wasaliti wa jamii yetu. Nikisema harambee, mnasema fagia. Harambee! Wasaliti wote, UDA, Wilbaro, Kimani Ichung'wah, hapa Kikuyu, mnasemaje? Kikuyu mnasemaje?
Mwancho murigeria habo no toika omwerio asoko kumanyaria nekiwa se ritukeriga biyamo na asoko sanganito asemesa ya mayakurwa ensoko chinsa isato asobo tukoboiga nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi aseribaga ya Brian Chaka na Miss F kurase studio ya kabire to kwa ndrobo tukobia endrago twaro borigerio bya wemeroberia gendota sembeo ya ensoko TV nya saika wanja tomerane ritukoria ankyo tonyarko batoko gendra kwimanya amangi.
onye kubwateri iborio obosemia gusekero kende gyonsiguro yemirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakere simi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri ukuri email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV uboroso w'umugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ugaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Obutindi n'obusumbasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamari etangoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna amariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Etogo konya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwa ende university ongere gutumia amaruna amariogo yogotindi amosariri